In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Squarespace with AI. We'll walk through the exact prompts Squarespace gives you so you can go from a blank slate to a polished starter site in just a few minutes without touching code. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and clicking Create Website. This opens a guided setup. First, Squarespace asks what your site is about. Choose the category that best fits your project, like a portfolio, a business, or a blog. Don't overthink it. This simply helps the builder suggest relevant layouts and content, and you can change it later. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll see a question about what you want to do with your website. Pick the primary goal, such as showcasing work, selling products, taking appointments, or sharing updates. This shapes the structure the AI proposes. Again, click Next. When prompted to choose how to begin, select AI Website Builder. This option lets Squarespace gather a few details and then assemble a draft site for you, including page sections, sample text, and a cohesive design you can edit. Enter a site title. Keep it short and clear. Think brand name or a concise description of what you do. You can always refine it later. Then select a brand personality. Options typically range from professional and elegant to bold and playful. Choose the tone that matches your audience and the feeling you want visitors to have. Click Next and you'll be asked which pages to add. Common picks include home, about, services, or menu, contact, blog, and store. Select only what you need right now. You can add more pages anytime. Click Next. Now choose a color palette. Look for colors that reflect your brand and maintain good contrast so text is easy to read. If you already have brand colors, pick the closest palette. Otherwise, select a neutral option. You can fine-tune later. Click Next. Choose a font pairing. This sets your heading and body fonts. Prioritize readability, especially on mobile screens. A clean, sans serif body font paired with a distinctive heading font is a reliable choice. When everything looks right, click Finish. Squarespace's AI will generate your site based on your inputs. This may take a moment, so give it time to complete. You'll see a progress indicator while the builder assembles your pages, design system, and initial content. And that's it. The AI-driven setup is complete. You've provided your site's purpose, title, tone, pages, colors, and fonts. And Squarespace will build a cohesive draft for you. That's how to build a website on Squarespace with AI.